So, hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are great. So, we are back again with another video. So, today we are going to learn about something that is also related to JavaScript. So, in the last video, as I've told you how to search for keywords from JavaScript files, today we'll learn about how to get those JavaScript files, some unique JavaScript files. So, we'll be using JSScripter. So let's do JScripter. This one, I think, yeah, it says a noob friendly JavaScript scraper. It is a Python script designed to scrap and save unique JavaScript files from a list of URLs or a single URL. So let's not waste time and start looking into it. So let me, you just need to do is here, let me just do, I think I've already installed it. Let's check on desktop, and here let's go into tools. Yeah, here we have JScripter. So let's learn about it a bit. So you just need to clone it, and after that, here are the requirements. So for that, you can use pip install these, and then ensure go Hakrawler. I think we have this hack Hakrawler. I don't have Hakrawler. Let's install it. Hakrawler. Let me install it. And other than that, what do we need? I think ensure that go Hakrawler and FFUF. So we have FFUF, and now we have Hakrawler 2. So let's do it. And after that, what do we need? Okay, Python 3 JScripter. So I've taken this Dutch URLs, and then let's do dash d to js.txt, and it's running go on this. And after that, I think it will use Hakrawler. And also, I don't know why is it using FFUF. So till then, let's do one thing. Let it complete, and cat. Oh wait, cat JScripter dot py, and let's see what, like, why to read it. Let's do one thing. What does it do? Let's copy this and we can paste it into any AI. So let's try Chat GPT. Let's do, can you explain this code to me in detail? Let's do this. Yeah, Python libraries. Okay, this is the main thing that it's doing, and it will then download it. Okay, no problem. Let's close these. and I hope we will find something. Okay, it will take a lot of time because I have many URLs. So let's do one thing. Let me just, and let's go into this. Let's go on to desktop. So here, desktop and cd Dutch. Here we have DNB. Let's check for URLs. So we have many URLs. So what we are going to do is, let's do URLs, and let's copy some of these. Let's do this, and let's paste it here, test.txt, and let's save it. Now instead of this, we'll do dash f and test.txt, and then test dash d. Wait, okay, wait, yeah, test one txt, and let's try it. And now, as you can see, it's running, and we have less URL. So I hope it will do its work faster. And let's see how much time will it take. Till then, like, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, because we are creating videos like this, and I think, well, like, I'll try to create videos each and every day, so you'll get tips and tricks every day, and you can level up your game. So it's worth subscribing. Okay, so we have only 26 URLs, and it's doing its work, so it's good. Now found 386 scripts. Wait, it's way more. File saved. Test1 txt. Okay, and we have only done 3. So let me first make it a bit bigger, and let's clear this. Now what, let's go into desktop tools and JScripter. Here we have test1.txt. Okay, it's not a txt, so okay, no problem. 1 5. Here we got a JavaScript file which we can read. Okay, nice. It's a good thing. So we can read it like that, and we have done till like 13 URLs. Approx time remaining, it's like 1 minute, or is it 1 hour? I think it's 1 minute, but let's see. It's We have done 16, so let's do cat, and the same thing. Okay, let me do one other thing. Let's open the folder, and here we go into desktop, where it is tools, JScripter, test one, and let's go on to chat GPT. Let's try it. Let me send this file here. Can you check this JS file and tell me any hidden paths or any secret or sensitive information? Let's press enter and let it do its work. Client side, okay. Internal paths, documentation URLs, internal ID, JavaScript globals. Okay, nice. But we need to check it. You get the idea. Like, I'll not be telling you each and everything because, as it's YouTube video and YouTube doesn't support all this. So, you should try these and play with this. And let's hope you find something useful for you. So, you can use this tool. And if you have learned something new, please leave a like to the video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. And we'll meet in another video. Till then, bye bye, and thanks for watching.